Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Syncwire Fast Charge Car Charger. So there it is. We got 2 ports on the top, so we got power delivery 1, which is 20 watts, and power delivery 2, which is also 20 watts. So it says for input it takes 12 to 24 volts and has 4 amps max. For power delivery 1, it can output 5 volts at 3 amps, and power delivery 2, same thing, 5 volts at 3 amps. And it has different capabilities depending on the voltage output that you're putting out, because this is USB-C. There's a total of 40 watts max. So if I plug this guy in, all right, we do light up, so that's actually pretty cool. And if I plug my phone in, we are charging, and it does say fast charging, so that's good. That's important. So I do like how small this thing is. Like, it barely just fits at the end of that thing, so it's not going to be taking up a lot of space, unlike a lot of the other chargers that are like big old honking things. So I do like how discreet that is, so that's nice. And because that lights up, that will let you know if your cigarette outlet is working, because some cars will actually leave the cigarette lighter on when you shut the car off. This can actually help you identify that, because this will light up to let you know that there is power going to that cigarette adapter. So overall, that is a very cool adapter.